Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I'd love to watch out for it. So, take a look at this Tesla. We would want to know where this movement will be made for this week. So, if we would want to predict this price, if we would want to understand this movement and how to predict where this price will be moving for this week, we have to start from the higher time frame, which is from the monthly time frame. So, we would understand this trend itself. Now take a look at this moment, right? This is the movement of 2019. We were having a bullish move on Tesla to a period of 2022, right? Tesla has been giving us an higher highs, then a pullback was made, a new highs and a pullback, then a new highs, right? On a pullback and a pullback. So basically, that is exactly what Tesla stocks has been giving us, an uptrend with higher highs and higher lows. Then all of a sudden, around this, early 2022, then we started having this drop. Likewise, most of our stocks, right? You can see S&P 500 dropping, you can see Nasdaq dropping, right? You can see, Apple stocks, Amazon, any other stocks, right? They are all dropping. So it's not a surprising thing that Tesla is also dropping. You can also see this our 10 period moving average, which will guide us. Now we all know how to trade this moving average rise. Once this price is above our moving average, it is a buy. But once it is below it, it is a sell, right? Now, if you take a look at this movement on Tesla, so this is a drop, and this would be considered to be a pullback, then a new drop, a seat, a pullback, and now this is a new drop that has broken this previous lows. So we will still expect a further drop again, which I strongly believe before a pullback will be made, right? So that is it. So this is the month of August. Tesla opened and closed bearish. Then we entered the month of September. Tesla gave us that bearish move. The month of October, it also gave us a bearish move. The month of November, it gave us a bearish move. And take a look at the month of December. You can now see that bearish move that was made, right? So this month actually gave us a good amount of bearish move. And this week that we're predicting for the price, this is when the markets will open for the year and also the month, right? So the last week for the year, this is where what we are now, right? So price is actually giving us that bearish move. So still expect a bearish further drop. You all know the news about this Tesla and everything. You can see that it is dropping and it will continue to drop even to next year. It will go next year, January, February. We expect more bearish move to be made. So above all, Tesla on the monthly time frame, this is a bearish move. That should take us to the weekly time frame. So you can clearly see it again, bearish move. You can see the downtrend. Now let's take a look at this recent move that was made here. You can see this recent straight move, which is a bearish move. So Tesla here is a bearish move. You can see a drop here, and this will be seen as a pullback. And here comes a new drop that broke this previous lows, and we will take this to be a pullback, and again a new drop. So we expect more drop to be made before a pullback will be made on Tesla. So this week, are we going to be having a pullback? Definitely not. I don't expect to see. We don't expect a pullback for this week. Maybe it's in the upper week, right? By the time we enter next year, new year, then maybe we might start getting it. Who knows? But this one, we don't think so. And you can also see this price is trading below our 10 period moving average. Like I said, as long as your price is trading below your 10 period moving average, right, then you should actually don't look to go long, but rather go ahead and sell. So this is it, Tesla. It is trading below the 10 period moving average. So we still see this as a sell movement. Now this is it on the daily time frame. You can see this massive drop, right? You can see this massive drop. And I do say it again, more drop is to come. And when you take a look at it on the daily time frame, also trading below the 10 period moving average. If you take a look at it on the monthly time frame, it is trading below the moving average. Same thing with the weekly time frame. And now you can clearly see it on the daily time frame. It is also trading below our moving average. So expect more drops to be made before a pullback will finally show up, and you will continue our bearish move. That should take us to the 4-hour time frame. So clearly you can see the trend. Now a pullback on the 4-hour time frame has been made. So if you want to go ahead and take a sell on this, I think it is okay, because when you take a look at this movement, right, you see this as a drop, pullback, drop, pullback, a drop, pull back. Now you should be expecting a further bearish move or a further drop on Tesla. So this Tesla this week also expects a drop, and you can also see it on the forward time frame. It is also trading below this 10 period moving average. So everything is actually a sell.